honor that we gather here today to witness the assumption of office of the newly designated Chief of Police. This moment marks the reaffirmation of our shared commitment to service. As a community, may we continue our unwavering support to the Talan MPS as they embark into a more challenging public service and build a community that is safer to live with, work, and do business.
Republic of the Philippines, National Police Commission, Philippine National Police, Police Regional Office 10, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, Captain Ramon Kenonahon, Manila City. Pursuant to Special Orders Number Paramo-T3-2024-10-461, dated October 27, 2024, Police Major Jose Regner Marote Civilino, ODAS 26277, is designated as Chief of Police of Dangcagan Municipal Police Station, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, effective October 27, 2024. Signed, Jobert L. Tulaway, Police Colonel, Provincial Director.
I hereby assume the position of Chief of Police of Dangcagan Municipal Police Station, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, effective October 27, 2024, and I sign.